sells 4 tacos. They have the condiments. 25 pesos each. Juices, combinados. This is carrot and orange juice. I don't know what we're reading that. But all this was 90 pesos. Papaya? Papaya and oranges. So this was all 90 pesos, the 2 drinks. And then the tacos should add up to about 100 pesos. So it's good eating. And all that, call it 200 pesos. It would be around 10 bucks. 200 pesos is around 10 bucks. So that was a decent breakfast. That was a good breakfast. Not saying that we're budget travelers, but
we're not. It's not so much that we're budget travelers, but we know where we want to spend our money.
Right.
And we know that when we can get good food at local prices, then like paying upcharged, Americanized, tourist versions of the food just doesn't make sense.
Doesn't make any sense.
So if we can go to a mercadito and, you know, get a couple tacos. Like, look how good this is. This is all fresh juice.
Yep.
Minus.
See, stands like that. You get your street tacos. Yes. And yeah, you can probably get the same food, but you go to a hotel zona.
Tip: when you do go to a mercado or food stand, you're gonna have a lot of options that all have basically very similar, the same thing. Go to the one where there's a lot of people. That's how you know it's good.
Yep. Yeah, so that was breakfast. And breakfast cost us 10 bucks. The juices and the tacos.
Juices as big as our heads.
You know?
2 tacos that have left.
So, things like that you're looking to. It's not about just being cheap or anything. It's, you know, getting the quality food.
Yeah, because we're willing to spend the money when it's worth it. Like dinner last night, right?
Yeah.
It was worth it. It was creative for good dishes. Person, what? Don't you want to do something?
Oh, let's go ahead. Alright, I'm gonna get a little souvenir.
Be real tourist.
Well,
Makes sense.
it's for my collection.
You want something everywhere we go.
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright, see you later. It is basically a park that offers a lot of water activities, and it is sunny. The water looks magnificent. Before we get started, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It's right there. I know a lot of you aren't subscribed. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. This supports me and supports the channel. And let's get back into it. When you get in, you will have to find a locker, put your stuff up, and then get ready for all the activities. It's all inclusive except for the stores, so food, drinks, and different activities are free. They have lockers, they even have cases for your cell phone, like the one I'm using right now. My GoPro got damaged. I probably should have in the top right corner. Oh, that's left, that's right. Where I dunked it and totally forgot that it wasn't water enclosed. It happened. So now I'm using my cell phone to record the rest of this. I'm trying to dry the GoPro to see if it will work again. So let's continue with this adventure. That was pretty cool. But yeah.
Let's go to the cave.
Addicted to you. All of my attention I've been giving to you. Caught up in my feelings, I got feelings for you. Caught up in my feelings, I got feelings for you. On my mind, I can't lie. On my mind, I can't lie. Pull you down till you dry. Pull you down till you dry. All the time, ease my mind. All the time, ease my mind. I know that you're dangerous, I'm addicted to you. I might rent the Lambo and go drive it like it's stolen. I've been living wild, I'm just going through the motions. Stumbling out the Uber, grabbed my hand, gave me a notion. Swimming in your water, but it feels just like the ocean. I can't lie, I've really been addicted to you. All of my attention I've been giving to you. Caught up in my feelings, I got feelings for you. Caught up in my feelings, I got feelings for you. On my mind, I can't lie. On my mind, I can't lie. Pull you down till you dry. Pull you down till you dry. All the time, ease my mind. All the time, ease my mind. I know that you're dangerous, I'm addicted to you. I was sipping more for 2 years.
I feel like I'm in the Matrix, the floor
Champagne belly
moving.
bubbles still won't go away. Last year my best man hit a stain with bare face. Now he's
Almost
got
went
a
off.
LB underwater's cold case. I wake up with pain sometime and never go away. Wonder why I balance to my knees when I pray. In my city gritty, gotta keep it on your waist. Or you might be a victim, they'll find you DOA. I can't lie, I've really been addicted to you. All of my attention I've been giving to you. Caught up in my feelings, I got feelings for you. Caught up in my feelings, I got feelings for you. On my mind, I can't lie. On my mind, I can't lie. Hold you down till you dry. Hold you down till you dry. All the time, ease my mind. All the time, ease my mind. I know that you're dangerous, I'm addicted to you.
That's out there, so the cave runs under the water. I mean, under the ground in caves. Water running through the caves, and you're under there and floating or wading, however you choose. Alright, the cave. Wow. Come on, look at that. The caves, man, the caves. Oh, they're up there.